Hey, Demetria Davenport here, the massage doctor. Good morning. I just want to share with you guys, I just picked up my reopening kit in Oakland County. I stay in Michigan, so my business is in Southfield, Michigan, which is in Oakland County. So Oakland County is giving all of their business owners in Oakland County a reopening kit, So inside, you guys can see it's a bunch of goodies in here. Okay, and then Oakland County has put their sticker on this nice tote, and this is a really nice tote, guys. I can take and reuse it. Alrighty, so I'm gonna open it up with all the little goodies they're giving us as a opening kit. Okay, so here we have 2 boxes of disposable masks. Okay, we have a box of gloves here. We have a gallon of hand sanitizer here, guys, and again it has ethyl alcohol, 70% ethyl alcohol in here, guys. So we have a gallon of hand sanitizer along with a pump to go with that. Inside of our reopening kit, we have a digital thermometer gun here, as you guys can see. We have also some masks. These is 13 of these. I counted them out. It's 13. So we have some masks that we can reuse. Also, these masks are kind of nifty because they have, they have a little opening in here. So if you want to put something in here for a liner for protection, you can. So we have 13 of these. And then we have a packet from Oakland County, Michigan Together Reopening Toolkit. So let's see what's inside of here, guys. Okay, inside of here, we have a reopening kit from the Oakland County Executive here. Has some information here. Okay, guys. What else? Then we have this. We care about your safety. We have this sticker to place here to post up in our business as well. Alrighty, and next, let me see, let's open this up. We have this, I'm not quite sure if this is a notepad. I'm going to open it up and see. Let's see if I can get it open. Let's see. Alright. And these are for the census. Okay, so that's what these are. Okay, things that you can give out to your clients about the census. Alright, it has some information about COVID and testing on the back of this. So I will be giving this out to all of my clients. Alrighty, and then along with that, we have stickers that we can place on the floor in our businesses that say 6 feet apart. Okay, stay safe, 6 feet apart. So these are the stickers that we have. We have how many of these in this package? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 of these to place on our floor in our businesses. So if you are a business in Oakland County, if you are a business owner and own a business in Oakland County, please reach out to Oakland County. Go to their website and register your business online so you can get your reopening toolkit. I hope this information was very helpful to you guys. And if your business is not in Oakland County, check and see what county your business is in and see if they have a reopening kit for your business as well. I hope this information was very helpful. If you or someone you know that can benefit from this video, please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. The Massage Doctor signing out. Mwah! Love you. Bye.